What's up, guys? It's TheReallyDog555 here, and today we're learning how to make a Fortnite profile picture, and that's really it. So I recommend using a website called Pixlr.com. You're gonna want to make an account. Go to Pixlr E. And say I want to make one like this. I think my one I really liked a lot. Or you could use like one like this, which I really like, which I'll demonstrate how to make this one on my screen right now. So we're gonna create new, name it whatever you want to make. I'm just gonna do it as Goal Trooper 2 because I've already made one. I'm just trying to make it so for a video. I'm gonna do 800 by 600 for the standard profile picture. No background. So now I do this. Zoom out for the layer first. I'm gonna undo this one. Pick one. You can make your own. I recommend this one because it looks pretty cool. Go from the bottom up. Try to make it as straight as you can. Next, we want to make another layer. Empty. Come on. Go over to shapes. The shape tool over here. Go to the circle. Stroke 25. No fill. Make sure it's white or whatever color you want. That would look over here. Gradient. I recommend from the corner because it'll give you a bigger shape. Get a decent sized circle, however big you want. It doesn't really matter. It's your choice. Over here, center that up. And then for the picture of the Fortnite skin, you want to go to open up a new tab, search up fnbr.co. Want to go to cosmetics, PNG. Scroll down and use whatever skin you want. I'm gonna use the Gold Trooper because it's a decent one. I thought he was gonna make again. So want to do that? Right click on it. Like, well, I could do this one, but like if it has a select what style, it won't look that great. Want to save image as, put in whatever folder you want. Like this was, but since I already have it, I'm not gonna save it again. And then you can click or close it out unless you want to use it again. And then go to layer, add images layer. For where you saved it at. I'm gonna use it at, I'm gonna find it if I can find it. You go to find it. It can come up big, so you're gonna wanna shrink it down. Then we're gonna put it in there. I've been trying to do a no opening up the top. Like say that this is, and you're gonna wanna so before you do anything else after this stage, use that. Go over to here, layers. And then and how you made this circle is add this new layer. Just, add this plus button. Gonna want to put the skin below the circle layer over here. And then I've been really trying to put this in like this. I've just been trying to lately. So you want us to do that. I'm gonna go over the eraser tool. Select on this skin layer over here, so you don't delete background of the circle. You want to erase just that's exposed. And then for the background tool, you're gonna want to search up in your other tab, Fortnite loading screen. Images. Select on anyone. I just do this because it goes pretty good with everything. Like this one's just gonna look good, so with pretty much everything. So you want to right click on that, save it as where you want to save it as, save it in. Since I've already saved it in my files, I want to have a duplicate. So once you have this, go to layer, image as layer, select the file name. Enlarge it to fit the screen. Or just see it's not going to fit the entire screen. So you're gonna want to enlarge it and then free transform. Go to edit, free transform. Want to put it down like this. Notice like, ooh, that doesn't look good. Well, you're gonna go to the right area, stretch out so it look like more normal. Then want to go, click like on the tools area and press yes. Go into your layers tool and take the background loading screen if you have it in there, and then bring it below the skin, but not below the background, the layer 1. So it looks like that. But you're like, oh, I can't see the background. Well, you go to the eraser tool, select on this, go to like size 100. Vasey. And then, if you're going to mistake, just press Control Z. Base it. I think I messed up again. Well, just let go of your mouse button when you're erasing it, so you don't lose progress. Even if you have to press Control Z, undo it. To make these, it's super simple. Want to erase that. Make sure to let go of your mouse button, so if you erase inside the circle, you just can press Control Z, and you're not losing a whole type of progress. Go on, add a new text. Add a new text layer. Go on, select your font. I'm gonna do entrees. Double click. Type the username you want. I'm gonna do my username for YouTube just cause, like, why not? Cause like, just cause there's nothing to do. So then my color, I'm gonna do red cause I think it really looks good. And it was like, it might be too big. Well, I've noticed that 70 looks good. Bring that down to like roughly like right there. So it's kind of touching the edge, but like close to touching the edge, but not. I want to go to styles, outline. Want to select black, or whatever color you want. It doesn't really matter. I just like black because it looks good with red. And then for this, you can find a color. I think 6 looks really good. You can also use 9 if you want it. You can use 1 if you want it. Use 2, 3, use 4, use 5. You can use 6. I'm gonna use 6. And then that's how logo like that is created. If you want to save it, go to File, Save, name it what you want. I'm to do this. Quality 100%. Make sure it's 816 and press download. Then it'll be ready in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and then press close. So once you get this, you can upload it to your YouTube. Bring it to anywhere else you really want it to put on. So it's gonna be it for today's video. I will make another video soon describing how to make a thumbnail with this software. And hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.